students, welcome to virtual class of Municipal Corporation of Greater Mumbai Education Department. I am Mrs. Akshata Kale and today we will learn English. Okay, now let us move to the lesson. Hello students, today we are going to learn an English song of standard 3rd and the title is A String Song. String means a line of things or series arranged on a thread. Okay, here in this poem, each child adds his or her own lines and repeats the sentences so that we get a string of songs. Okay, come on, we will enjoy this. A string song. This is your page number 5 of English Balabharati textbook. Okay, now students, this is a game. In this game, 10 children are there and they sing a song one after other. Here, every child repeats in the correct order what others have said and adds something new on his own. Okay? And like this, it continues up to the last child. Very interesting, isn't it? Okay. Are you ready to play along with them? Yes, students. One more thing is there in this song, that is, here we will learn about adjectives. So, first we will understand the meaning of the word adjective and then we will proceed to the song. Now, dear students, see this adjective. The meaning is, adjectives are the words that describes nouns. You know the meaning of nouns, isn't it? Nouns means they tell us the names of persons or places or animals and things. Correct? Boy, girl, cat, dog, Mumbai, all these names of persons, maybe the places, maybe the animals or things, all comes under nouns. And the word which describes the noun is called as adjective. Got this, students? One example I will give you. He is a good boy. Now you know that boy is a noun. And here good. That good boy. Good describes the boy. How is that boy? He is a good boy. So here good is a extra word we added to tell about the noun. That is called adjective. Here what is adjective? Good is the adjective. Okay. Now we will move to the string song. The first child says, I went to the market. Do you know what I bought? Some red shiny apples. That's what I got. Yes, what he brought, dear students? Some red shiny apples. How are the apples? Yes, they are red and shiny. Yes, they are red and shiny. Here we say that red and shiny, this describes about the apples. So red and shiny is the adjective. Got this? Okay. Now the second child adds something. She came. I went to the market. Do you know what I bought? Some red shiny apples, a big loaf of bread. Yes, that's what I got. Here what this boy brought? He bought big loaf of bread. See, how is the bread? Yes, dear students, it is big. So, big describes the bread. So, big is the adjective. The third child adds some more. See, one by one they are coming and they are adding some more things to the original sentences. I went to the market. Do you know what I bought? Some red shiny apples, a big loaf of bread, a pack of color pencils. That's what I got. What he bought? A pack of color pencils. Yes, dear students, here which word describes the pencils? Yes, how are the pencils? The answer for this is they are colored. So, color describes the pencils. So, color is the adjective. Got this, children? How they are playing a game? They are adding one extra line of their own, which has an adjective and a noun. The fourth child says, I went to the market. Do you know what I bought? Some red shiny apples, a big loaf of bread, a pack of color pencils, and a sack of gram flour. That's what I got. Yes. Which flour it is? It is a gram flour. Yes, here gram describes the type of the flour. Correct? Yes, so gram is the adjective. The fifth child says, I went to the market. Do you know what I bought? Some red shiny apples, a big loaf of bread, a pack of color pencils, a sack of gram flour, a string of white flowers. That's what I got. Yes, here also he added one more line. Now, dear students, how are the flowers? Which word describes the flowers? Yes, that is white. The flowers are white in color. So, white is the adjective. The sixth child says, I went to the market. Do you know what I bought? Some red shiny apples, a big loaf of bread, a pack of color pencils, a sack of gram flour, a string of white flowers, and a bunch of big bananas. That's what I got. Yes, he added the sentence a bunch of big bananas. Yes, how are the bananas? They are big in size. Yes, dear students, which word describes about the bananas? Big. So, big is the adjective. The seventh child says, Do you know what I bought? Some red shiny apples, a big loaf of bread, a pack of color pencils, a sack of gram flour, a string of white flowers, a bunch of big bananas, and a big jar of honey. That's what I got. Yes, he brought a big jar of honey. Jar is a noun, and how is the jar? Jar is big in size. Got this? So, big describes the jar. So, big is a adjective. The eighth child adds one more line. I went to the market. Do you know what I bought? Some red shiny apples, a big loaf of bread, a pack of color pencils, a sack of gram flour, a string of white flowers, a bunch of big bananas, a big jar of honey, and see this, a pack of liquid soap. That's what I got. Yes, he bought a pack of liquid soap. Here, how is the soap? It is in liquid condition, or it is in liquid, it is not a solid. So, liquid describes about the soap. So, it is a adjective. The ninth child says, I went to the market. Do you know what I bought? Some red shiny apples, a big loaf of bread, a pack of color pencils, a sack of gram flour, a string of white flowers, a bunch of big bananas, a big jar of honey, a pack of liquid soap, and some juicy ripe mangoes. That's what I got. He bought juicy ripe mangoes. Yes, dear students, how are the mangoes? They are juicy and ripe. Here we can see two adjectives. Correct? So, juicy and ripe, they describes mangoes. So, these are adjectives. Sometimes we can use 2 to 3 adjectives for a single noun. Okay? The 10th child adds something. I went to the market. Do you know what I bought? Some red shiny apples, a big loaf of bread, a pack of color pencils, a sack of gram flour, a string of white flowers, a bunch of big bananas, a big jar of honey, a pack of liquid soap, some juicy ripe mangoes, and a pair of blue bangles. Pair means two. A pair of blue bangles. That's what I got. She's a girl. She bought what? She bought bangles for her. How are the bangles? They are blue in color. Beautiful color. Isn't there? Yes, here. Which word describes the bangles? Yes, it is blue. So, blue describes the bangles. That's why blue is an adjective. Okay? Yes, dear students, if you understood all the things, here match the pairs are here. You have to solve this. Please observe the pictures. And some adjectives are given below. See that. I am going to give 30 seconds. Try to match the correct pairs. tall, small, colorful, big, yellow. Okay, we'll start. Tall, tall, yes, tall tree. Small, here we can see small bird is there, small cat is there, but we will take to this one to the cat. Why? Because the next one is colorful. Colorful goes to bird. Cat is not a colorful one. Here it is white in color. So, colorful bird we can see in the poster. Then big, very easy, big elephant. And yellow flower. Yes, all these are adjectives and they describes the noun so that we can understand easily. Thank you, students. I hope you have understood the meaning of adjectives and about how to use them. Right? Adjectives help us to clear our thoughts about something. Maybe it is a person, maybe something, or maybe a thing or a place. Okay? So try to use adjectives in your daily life and enjoy. Yes, dear students, in your friend circle also you can play like this game. Correct? Okay. Thank you very much and stay home, stay safe. Thank you very much for being a part of this lesson. Please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to get the new updated videos.